Your Honor, part of what is missing in the discussion is the fact that the private property owner agreed that it was a public safety concern and asked the city to actually remove the Confederate monument because of those safety concerns. They sent a letter, Winston Courthouse LLC, revoking whatever permission had been previously granted, not an easement, but just permission, on January 8th. They said, because we agree with the city, essentially, that there is a public nuisance here, there is a safety hazard here, that Confederate monument must be removed from our private property, which is the private residential property. They asked the city to remove it if it was not removed. And that was the basis, Your Honor, of the removal. And I think that is what is missed in the discussion, is that there was a private property owner who agreed, who expressed safety concerns and said, please remove this monument. My residents are calling the police, they're calling me, they're afraid of what's occurring right outside their bedroom windows. Please remove this monument. So we didn't have to rely on that public declaration.
Well, under 62-3 of the Winston-Salem ordinances, subsection C, doesn't the assistant city manager have the authority to summarily remove the monument?
He does, but...
So what was the purpose of the notification by letter to the UDC then?
I think given the situation, Your Honor, again, sometimes a municipality does what is not only legally right, but is correct from the standpoint of being appropriate. And I think the city felt that before it removed the monument, it should let everyone know what was going to happen, because had it not provided any kind of notice to anyone, including the landowner, as well as the UDC, based upon prior assertions of ownership, the city would have been subject to claims of not being transparent, not letting the public know what was going to happen. And so is that narrative, quite honestly, I think the city wanted to avoid and be, quite frankly, honest about what was going to take place.